Why am I in this bed? Okay, well, TV. What is that? I think I said TV. Well, let's go. Cool, nice aim. Oh crap! Why am I shooting everything? Wow. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, sorry, I just wanted to see. Ooh, what is this? That's a grenade. Oh, don't be good. No, why? Why was it in my face? God, I stuck it to my face. Okay, that's well, what is this?
I'm gonna go. Bye.
Why are you leaving?
Because I gotta do something really quick.